Doing a little torture test on the shovel here. Came out pretty good. And it beating it up. Digging down in there. You got rocks, all kinds of stuff. This is only about 15% infill. Doesn't weigh too much. And it seems to have no problem digging in the ground. So it's definitely built for maximum strength. So looks like it'll work. You can fill back in the holes. And there's a kid's play shovel, but also you could use it, if I'm using it for a latrine shovel, camping, you use it for backpacking and gold mining, just about anything. So should work as a handy little tool.